and welcome to the 4th anniversary and annual awarding of Marian Realty. Tonight, we come together to celebrate not just the passage of time, but the remarkable achievements and milestones we've reached over the years. We are grateful for your presence and continued partnership. I would also like to recognize and thank you, our beloved relatives and children who are with us tonight. Your unwavering support means a lot to us. We embarked on this journey with a vision to create a real estate company built on trust, integrity, and excellence. Today, as I look around, I see that vision brought to life through each of you. Thank you for being the heart and soul of our company. Loyalty is a value we hold at Marian Realty. It is your loyalty to our principles and to each other that sets us apart.
You deserve these achievements tonight. You deserve all these mga trophies na inyong madawat, and most especially kung minsan itong swerte na mananaw being the best seller for your annual awarding today.
Thank you, Marian Realty, for making Vistaland your home since you started 4 years ago. Our business partnership and collaboration has been a key ingredient in our success. Your support and dedication have been instrumental in our growth. Thank you for being one of our trusted partners. We are deeply thankful for your partnership and support. We look forward to more years of fruitful business partnership.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Marian for being a valuable partner of Kelinvest. Your support, dedication, and hard work have been instrumental in our shared success. Together, we have navigated challenges, seized opportunities, and achieved remarkable milestones.
Congratulations on your successful event. It was a gracious event tonight. We wish for Marian Realty a more thriving years, a continued success, and a lasting relationship with Maria.
Let us inspire each other to uphold the value that define Marian Realty and to be the best version of ourselves. As we look forward to the future, I am confident that the same principles of gratitude, loyalty, and integrity will guide us to even greater heights.
Hindi ako magtataka sa nakikita ko ngayon. You'll surely become one of Butuan's